So, if your search bar is not working here in Wix, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. Now, first things first is you want to guarantee that you have your data connected. Now, if you're not aware yet, you could actually disable and enable certain pages to appear in your search. So, what you need to do is you want to just click on your Wix site search icon here, click on the Manage Search Results option, and it should open up the search results pop up here. And what's important is going to be your settings. Now, in here in settings, you want to make sure that you enable events, other pages or programs or any pages that you want to appear in your search results. Now, you could also add like advanced settings here if you want to show hidden pages in your search results. Like, for example, if you hidden a specific page but you want to appear on your search result, you can go and enable that as well. So, yeah. So that's for the main thing that you need to make sure here. Enable the pages to be displayed or certain apps to appear in your search results. And once you've done that, that should fix your problem. Now, in some cases, this might not be a problem with your app itself and may be a problem on your browser. In some cases, our browser can actually contain a lot of data. Like, for example, you've been using your browser for 3 years in a row. Well, that's a lot of data, honestly. And you need to clear up some space in order for certain functionalities online to work properly. And that includes websites like Wix. So at the top right, you want to go and click on the three dot option here. And you want to go and choose the settings option. And from here, you want to go and just choose the option that says privacy and security. Click on delete browsing data. And you want to go and just choose the following. So you could go and choose either last 15 minutes, 24 hours, 7 days, or if you want, you can go and choose all time. Now from here, click on show more. And I would highly recommend you to choose the following. It's going to be browsing data, cookies and other site data, cache images and files, and also download history if you want. You could also choose site settings as well and app data. And click on delete data. Now, just keep in mind, if you do click on delete data, certain like logins, like if you're logged into a Facebook account, Instagram account, or any other account out there, you'll also be logged out. So just make sure you still have access or you know the login credentials of the account that will be removed or logged out. So be careful about this one. But once you click on delete data, that should basically fix a lot of things in here. But I would highly recommend you to basically maybe close your browser first, reopen it up again, and see if that actually helps. Now, if that doesn't help, the final and last thing that you can try doing here is try to re-add the app itself. Now, the search functionality here is an app inside Wix. So, at the left side, you want to go and just choose the add app, the My Business option here. And from here, you want to go and choose Site Search. Click on the three dot option here next to Site Search. Click on Delete App. Click on Delete App to remove it fully from your website. And once it's actually removed, you want to go and just click on the Add App button that you see at the left side here again. And again, you want to go and just click on search and just type in search. Just press enter. Now, it should give you different options or different apps that you could use. So you have Wix site search here. Click on it. And again, you want to go and just click on the install button at the site. Wait for a while, and that should fix your problem. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.